Hello everyone! Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we are checking out the best ARGB PC case fan that can make your PC look amazing and stay cool at the same time. If you want better airflow and brighter lighting in your build, you are in the right place. Let's get started. The Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan is made for gamers and PC builders who want both strong cooling and beautiful lighting. This fan is designed to improve airflow inside your case while also adding bright ARGB effects that make your setup stand out. Corsair built this fan to work well in modern gaming systems and workstation builds where performance and clean looks both matter. One of the most interesting features of the Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan is the reverse rotor design. This design keeps the RGB lighting fully visible even when the fan is mounted as an intake. That means you do not lose the lighting effect just because of the fan position, and your build still looks clean from every angle. The fan also comes with 8 individually addressable LEDs. These LEDs create bright and colorful ARGB effects that you can customize using your motherboard lighting control. Because of this, the fan can easily match the rest of your PC lighting without needing extra controllers. Corsair gives you color choice as well. The Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan is available in black and white, so you can pick the one that fits your build theme. This makes it easier to keep your setup looking neat and well planned. Cooling performance is another strong point. With PWM speed control, the fan can adjust its speed up to 2100 RPM. At low speed, it stays quiet for normal use, and at higher speed, it pushes strong airflow when your system is under heavy load. The airflow can reach up to 65.8 CFM, which helps remove heat quickly from inside the case. This keeps your CPU and GPU running at better temperatures, especially during gaming or long work sessions. The fan is also built for high static pressure, reaching up to 2.81 millimeters H2O. This makes the Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan very effective when used with radiators or cases that have tight airflow space. It can push air through obstacles more easily, which helps cooling stay stable. In terms of build quality, the fan feels solid and well made. The frame is strong, the blades are balanced, and the finish looks clean in both color options. The lighting ring is smooth and even, which gives the fan a premium look inside the case. In real-life use, this fan works great for gaming PCs, streaming setups, and even workstations that run heavy software. You get quiet performance when you need silence, and strong cooling when your system starts to heat up. The Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan is best for PC builders, gamers, and anyone who wants a clean-looking setup with reliable cooling and bright ARGB lighting without making things complicated. Want a fan that looks great and cools even better? Check the price link in the description and see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more budget-friendly tech videos. See you in the next one.